Retro Babes. Welcome to my studio. My name is GOOGii. I am your favorite Afrofuturistic retro babe and your favorite YouTuber. I've been seeing a lot of people do their studio tours for their artist vlogs, and a lot of people convert their rooms into their at-home studio, but I never see a digital artist studio. I always see like painters and illustrators and clothing designers, which I am, but like you never see a digital creators studio. And I feel like for digital artists, we love more cozy vibes. We love more of like lo-fi girl gamer style type of things, but we want to fill it with things that make us happy and inspired and feel pretty also sometimes. I just wanted to share with you guys my studio tour. You guys honestly see majority of it in the background of my videos lately. I am currently living in my sister's living room. So her living room I converted into my bedroom and my closet, as well as my studio. Majority of it is back here. You see my desk, my mirror, my window. You always want to be near windows so you can disassociate, daydream, stare outside, and lollygag, because lollygagging is a part of the process, okay? The sun is really assaulting me right now, so I hope you guys can see, but over here is where I keep all my makeup brushes. I actually really have to clean them. That's kind of embarrassing. I have my lipsticks, my foundations. I love these Kimchi beauty lipsticks. They're so cute, the packaging. My powders. I have my special effects makeup back here. When I feel in the mood to do that, it's not Halloween exclusive. This is a disposable that my sister got me from, I think it was, where'd she get this from? I think Urban Outfitters, I can't remember. And it has the maximalist purple and white coloring, and I also have a cup that matches the maximalist purple and white, and it's checkerboard. You guys know I love checkerboard. Yeah, so moving over here, more of my makeup. I have all 3 of my Kimchi palettes. They're kind of dirty. I love these palettes, and that face is just slaying right there. Also on this side underneath, I have more palettes. I have my Pop-Up Girl ones. I have all of my ones from Glam Goth Beauty that I already did a review on. The crayon case palette that I barely use now, but I still love it. Moving over here is like just cute decor stuff I have from my birthday party. I had a Barbie birthday because my birthday was the same week the Barbie movie came out. And this is so cute. It's empty, but I just kept it. This Barbie reminds me of FloJo, even though I think she's a gymnast, but I still love it. I have my tarot cards, my aesthetic lamp, which I'll show you guys how it looks at night. I have my mic that I record my singing videos on, which I need to do more of. You guys love my singing videos. I have my glasses, my laptop. I have my mirror, and I don't know what it is with me and glass bottles, but I love them and I love putting flowers in them. On this side is more of like my productive work side, versus this side's more of like the play side. So I have my label maker, my package weight scale, and on top of that I have edge control, and I have more like pencils, pens, my Apple Pencil, styluses, a comb, scissors. It's just like a bunch of stuff that I use. I have my Post-its, which I just put all the things I need to film for this specific video so I don't forget. And on this Post-it, I just have a bunch of affirmations. You guys know I'm an affirmation girly. And I have all of my stickers, which you guys can shop at prettyveronicaclothing.com. So on this side, I just have more packing stuff and packing supplies. It's pretty boring. I'm not going to go through all that. I love being in a corner area. I love having the warmth come through. I had to put a curtain up because the sun was just assaulting me. This artwork I got from Comic-Con. I can never pronounce the name of this anime, but it's the gambling anime that's on Netflix. I love both seasons. I watched the first season like 3 times. My favorite movie, Edward Scissorhands, already showed you guys this artwork from my last apartment. This is Marley from Glam Block Beauty Palette. She had prints that came with it, so I just hung it up. One of my Retro Babe stickers, that's actually me that I drew of myself. This is my content calendar. I have 2 calendars. This one's my content calendar. It doesn't have much on there. I have done many different ways of scheduling my content. I would schedule out a month ahead. I would schedule out a week ahead. And now I'm just in the phase of, I'll just write down if I did a task for that day just to track my productivity instead of forcing the productivity. So you see, nothing has happened last week. And not much has happened this week because I guess I just decided I need a mental break. I'm not sure. I just go with the flow now, but I was doing well the second week of November. So from this angle, we have the desk, and then we move over, and that is my dresser, as well as, I guess what would you call it? The boudoir or something like that. You guys saw this in my last apartment tour. I also have this light that I love. I love this light. I absolutely love it, and it even looks better at night. And over here is more of like my personal area. This is my actual calendar. Once again, there's literally nothing on there. You guys saw this in my last apartment tour. I put this in here. I love this photo. I feel like it completes the aesthetic. This is like my, what would you call it, boudoir dresser. I have my oils, my perfumes, these cute lashes. I love this hat I got from Discovery, and these glasses I got from Target. There's my birthday girl crown. This I got from Target. I love when gold and pink and roses are together. My sunglasses, and my friend got me this Ella Fitzgerald doll as a birthday present. So cute. And then from this one I pan over here, there's my guitar. I just got her. She's so pretty and cute. My closet is an entire mess. I really don't feel like going through it, but I have most of my display items on there. And then here is where I sleep. You guys remember Lavender? There's my sister's cacti. She's so pretty. I have my iPad, and this is actually a design I created and I put on a pillow. And there are my 4 original designs from Pretty Veronica Clothing.